Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Y6s and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and use the screen recording on this device. Let's start by swiping down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here let's tap on this edit icon. And as you can see, here we have a screen recorder icon, so let's touch and hold on it and drag it to the list above, like that, and then go back. And now we can tap on this icon right here to start the screen recording. We need to allow some permissions, so let's allow them. And then tap OK. As you can see here, it says to start and stop recording. We need to press the volume up and power button together and hold them to stop and start recording. Okay, so let's start recording. As you can see, it's recording now. Let's move our screen a little. Let's open the settings. And now to stop the recording, we need to press the power button and the volume up button together. So let's press them. And as you can see, recording stopped and it was saved to gallery. So let's open the gallery. And here we have videos, a folder. And here's our video. Let's play it. And as you can see, it's working. And that should be all. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.